Good morning, everyone. I am Vishnu Jagtap. In front of all of you, I am presenting the Economics Time newspaper headline. So, first of all, AI Quada in Indian subcontinent may spread to Jammu and Kashmir (UNC). Next, Manipur violence a matter of national security. India MPs. Next, Tiger trial at Flipkart ends with $3.5 billion profit. Next, Jammu and Kashmir soldier on leave missing. Search ongoing. Next, healthy balance sheets, cash flows, lift capex spends. Next, SEBI looks for balance in the business of AIF. Next, may overseas spend surge 40% under LRS. Next, KKR invite acquires 4 road asset of Mercuria. Next, Nirma closes in on Glenmark's API arm. Next, BPCL plans to invest rupees 1.5 lakh crore over 5 years to expand OPS chairman. Next, SOPs likely for economic hubs planned in SEZ recast. Next, bank borrowings at all-time high. Next, railways to seek cap nude for rupees 5.25 lakh crore linkage plan. Then I comes to page number 2 in pure politics section in that AI Quetta in Indian subcontinent may spread to Jammu and Kashmir warns UN report. Next, government waits option to manage India Myanmar free movement. Next, women group blocks forces movement. Next, Jammu and Kashmir soldier on leave missing search operation launched. Next, violence a national security issue. India MP to UK. Next, efforts on to find peace. Naga MLA roped into talk to cookies. Next, UP Varsity expel 18 ABVP members for July 21 violence. Next, several districts do not have any banking presence. Next, Bihar constitutes advisory board of Bodh Gaya temple. Then I comes to page number 4 in pure politics section in that BJP begins review tickets to MP based on standing among voters. Next, CT Ravi likely to be BJP presidency in Karnataka. Next, PM helps rise in no of women performing Hajj without Mehram. Next, page number 5 economic market in that Nifty may take a breather, stay in 19,200 to 19,900. Next, Geo movement in AMC business might need a different playbook. Next, Nifty volatility at decades low could attract more flows from foreign funds. On page number 6, smart investing section in that SEBI seeks balance in the business of AIF. Next, remittances overseas travel spend soared in May to beat TCS hit. Next, Geo movement in AMC business. Next, life insurance mutual fund GV ready to list in 18 months. Hive of can unshackle cards. Next, markets headed for a correction. Good question. Next, Reliance General rises rupees 200 crore from Reliance Capital. Next, HDFC in banks full takes borrowing credit to new highs. On page number 18, companies section in that among biggest gains for Tiger. Next, PLI schemes also boosting private investment. Next, GLS share up 70% in 6 months. On page number 10, brands and companies section in that Bollywood actor Sunil Shetty buy minority stake in Panja League. Next, Atocos on course to deliver best July sales as chip supply improves. Next, KKR invite acquires Mercury's 4 road assets for rupees 3000 crore. Next, Bajaj Auto to set up first overseas manufacturing facility in Brazil. Next, Experian invest rupees 200 crore in Vatica housing project. Next, Pernod Ricard plans to make premium brands in India. Next, top drug makers bet on trade generics to grow beyond metros. Next, Major League Cricket a big hit on debut. Next, on page number 11, companies section in that ethnic violence has dragged down Manipur's export by 80% NEFIT. Next, Jindal Stainless seek government help to check surging steel imports. Next, Macrotech invested rupees 1000 crore in projects during April June. Next, GoSick Node for refunding money for cancelled tickets. Next, FY24 Sun Pharma eyes high single digit revenue growth. Next, C8 lines up rupees 750 crore capex for FY24. On page number 12, around the world section, in that Russia says thwarted Ukrainian drone attack on Moscow, Crimea. Next, Russia does not reject talks with Ukraine, Putin. Next, China issues highest rain alert, boost flood control measures. Next, Africa leaders give Niger junta week to city power. Next, 35 killed, 150 injured in blast at political party meet in Pakistan. Next, Sunak backs plans for new UK oil and gas exploration. Next, Colombian President Gustavo Petro's son arrested in money laundering charges. Next, judge dismisses Trump's $475 million lawsuit against CNN. Next, Harris urges black Americans to vote in bid to replicate record turnout. Next, Twitter reinstates Kanye West account after 8 months. On page number 13, economy section, in that cause may get to defer import duty in new economic hubs. Next, railways to seek cab node for rupees 5.25 lakh crore linkage plan. Next, tech equity launched, again repeating, tech equity launch at G20 summit tomorrow. Next, India EU at a point of strengthening bilateral strategic partnership. Next, deforestation regulation in EU provides scope for agri-based industry in India. Next, India Singapore agreement soon to connect grids for renewable power. Next, government to get significant stake in HPCL post preference issue. Next, 5.83 crore ITR filed for FY23. On page number 14, edit page section, in that finding a quicker way around shift. Next, crystal ball gazing into 24. Next, celebrate friendships. Next, Israel's majoritarians push as majority will. Next, Singapore investment all over. Next, cheer the chair that's interactive. Next, stable economy and horsepower. Next, data danger, hashtag safety belt. Next, Kissinger's and tell goes to China again. On page number 15, economic finance section, in that the battle over a $100 million marketing fund. Next, former Twitter executives say a Mercurian Musk rules by gut. Next, co-host New Zealand exit Women's World Cup after Swiss stalemate. Next, tech whistleblowers reveal the consequences of speaking out. Next, the key difference between a cardiac arrest and a heart attack. Next, Ajinkya Rahane pulls out of country staying with Leicester. Next, Verstappen wins Belgian GP to extend F1 lead, teammate press second. Next, Ashes, Australia need 249 more runs to win. Next, CRPF athletes win 5 gold, 1 silver in World Police and Fire Games. Next, what does it mean to be a fractional executive? On page number 16, companies section, in that Bollywood producer Vision buys Mumbai house for rupees 103 crore. Next, GST notices from different states make life difficult for many cause. Next, BPCL plans to invest rupees 1.5 lakh crore in 5 years to diversify operations. Next, Fair Street plans to invest rupees 250 crore in MotoGP Bharat. On page number 18, in disruption section, in that gaming costs differ on tax formula ahead of GST Council's second meeting. Next, only kids focused site may gain from age getting tweak. Next, Meta's Horizon, world's mobile app out, soon. Next, Semicon plan powerful case for Make in India, Make for World. Next, Share Chat Beta gets WhatsApp branded shares. Next, new iOS 16.6 update fixes security bugs. Next, expert says TCS return to vertical ops structure will help it in slum. Next, new malware targets data theft via ORC. Next, OCR. Next, Apple's App Store API rules made tighter. Next, Google's robot getting smart thanks to AI language model. Next, Proximus deal opens up North American market. Root Mobile CEO. Thanks for watching. Make a good day.